4 reasons to avoid DIY website builders. Currently, it is becoming more and more popular to use DIY website builders such as Squarespace, Wix, and Spark. This makes perfect sense if you listen to the marketing campaigns that they put out. There's no need to learn any kind of code. All you need to do is pay a small monthly fee and you get to make your own website with all the ease of making toast. It sounds great, but it's a trap. So let's just dive right into the reasons for avoiding DIY website builders. 1. You don't own the website you build. When a professional website builder makes you a website and you pay large dollars for it, you own everything. This includes all the content, images, data, and plugins. When it comes down to managing the site, you have greater control and flexibility because of this. If you have instead made a website using a DIY builder and you want to control it, you can't. You will have built something that you can't do anything further to. For example, if you want to move it anywhere, you will have to rebuild it completely. 2. They don't look professional. The clothes we wear influence people's behavior towards us. If you're a business person and you want people to know this, you dress accordingly. The same principle can be applied to website building. A professionally built website will look just like that. Professionally built. If your website looks cheap, you may be giving your client an impression that is at odds with the one you want them to get. 3. The SEO is bad. It might seem like a godsend to be able to make websites without having to know any code. However, with no professional website builder to make sure the code is good and tight, you run the risk of having substandard code all over your website. A website with weak coding will most likely rank poorly on Google. This is a great way to lose out on business, making the cheap option for making websites look much more expensive when you really look at it. 4. Your options for customization are limited. Standing out from the rest of the pack is one of the most important aspects of company branding. This is how you get potential customers to take notice when you're just one of many outfits offering the same service. However you choose to do this, it will need to be applied across the board. This includes your website. DIY websites only have a limited range of themes, templates, and other customization tools to choose from. The more unique you make your company's brand, the less likely you are to find the perfect template to match it. You certainly don't want to design your brand around those limitations because that would be letting a third party have a say over your vision. Getting your website designed for professionals allows you 100% control over customization with no restrictions. So, next time you feel tempted to take the easy route and use a DIY web builder, remember, you don't own the finished results, they don't look professional, they aren't search engine friendly, and you have limited customization options. Instead, invest in a professionally built custom-made website. It will cost you a lot less in the long run while giving you a website you can really be proud of. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this, feel free to hit like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the bell button.